Luto na yan?
First column ay standard size yan, followed by the commercial size, which indicates yung section depth in inches, which is 8, followed by flange
Parang
width,
kukunti naman.
5 and 1.
Parang adobo yan, kukunti sa bawa.
Indicated by the hashtag or pound sign, which is
Okay na to.
Isa pa, isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa, isa pa. Nilagang baboy eh. Wait lang, Mae. Wait lang. Ina mo.
Okay na to.
Bakit may tok-tok talaga yan?
Ganun siya, di ba?